At a deeper level, Christmas decorations are not just about making a home look nice. They're about changing how you experience your own space. The same room you see every day suddenly feels different, more special, more intentional. That transformation is one of the biggest benefits, because it breaks routine and adds a sense of occasion to everyday life. There's also something very powerful about the emotional connection that decorations create. Many of the elements we use during Christmas are tied to memories, traditions, and even childhood experiences. That's why a simple ornament or a specific color combination can instantly make a space feel comforting. It's not just visual, it's emotional. Your home starts to feel more personal, more meaningful. Another advantage is how decorations encourage you to slow down. When your environment feels warm and inviting, you naturally want to spend more time in it. You might sit longer in the living room, enjoy a quiet evening, or simply appreciate the atmosphere you've created. In a world that moves very fast, that sense of calm is incredibly valuable. And something that often goes unnoticed is how Christmas decor enhances lighting quality in your home. During this season, people tend to use softer, warmer lights instead of strong overhead lighting. This creates a much more relaxing environment. It reduces visual stress and makes spaces feel more intimate. Even a simple string of lights can completely change how a room feels at night. When it comes to decorating, one of the best pieces of advice is to think about balance. It's easy to get excited and want to decorate everything, but sometimes less truly feels better. If every corner is filled, nothing stands out. Instead, choose key areas and let them shine. This creates a more elegant and intentional look. Another important suggestion is to work with what you already have. You don't need to completely change your home to make it feel festive. Try integrating Christmas elements into your existing decor. If your home already has neutral tones, you can add soft golds, whites, or greenery without clashing. If your style is more rustic, natural materials like wood and pine cones will blend beautifully. Texture is also something you can use to your advantage. Christmas is the perfect time to introduce soft, cozy materials like blankets, cushions, and rugs. These not only enhance the look of your home, but also make it physically more comfortable. It's a combination of visual and tactile comfort. And then there's the idea of creating small moments throughout your home. It doesn't always have to be one big decorated area. Sometimes a small corner with a candle, a bit of greenery, and soft lighting can feel just as special. These little details are what make your home feel layered and thoughtfully designed. Another benefit worth mentioning is how decorations can reflect your personality. Some people love traditional red and green, others prefer modern neutrals, and some enjoy bold and colorful themes. There's no single correct way to decorate. Your home should reflect what you enjoy and what makes you feel comfortable. That's what truly makes it beautiful. You can also think about how your space transitions from day to night. During the day, natural light highlights colors and details, but at night, lighting becomes the main focus. This is where candles, string lights, and lamps really come into play. A well-decorated home during Christmas often feels even more magical in the evening. And when you start to really pay attention to how your home feels during this season, you'll notice something interesting. It's not about adding more, it's about placing things with intention. Every decoration, no matter how small, has the ability to influence the atmosphere of a space. That's why thoughtful placement often matters more than the decoration itself. And something that often gets overlooked is how movement plays a role in decoration. Elements like hanging ornaments, ribbons, or even soft fabrics can add a sense of life when they gently move. It's subtle, but it makes your space feel less static and more dynamic. There's also a quiet advantage to decorating that many people don't think about. It changes your habits in a positive way. When your home feels more inviting, you naturally want to take better care of it. You keep things more organized, you enjoy your spaces more, and you become more present in your daily routines. It subtly improves your relationship with your home. Another suggestion is to let your decorations evolve naturally. You don't have to finish everything in one day. Sometimes, adding pieces little by little makes the process more enjoyable and less overwhelming. You begin to notice what works, what feels right, and what might be too much. It becomes a creative process instead of a task. And if you ever feel unsure about your decorating choices, here's something simple to guide you. Step back and look at your space from a distance. What draws your attention first? Does it feel balanced? Does anything feel out of place? This small habit can help you refine your decor without needing any special knowledge. It's also worth remembering that empty space has value. Not every wall, table, or corner needs to be decorated. Leaving some areas untouched allows your key decorations to stand out more. It creates contrast, and contrast is what makes a space feel visually pleasing instead of overwhelming. At the same time, don't be afraid to make your space feel lived in. Perfectly arranged decorations can sometimes feel distant or untouchable. When you mix decor with everyday items like blankets you actually use, books you read, or spaces where you sit and relax, your home feels more authentic. That's where comfort really comes from. And as the season progresses, your decorations begin to take on a life of their own. They become part of your daily moments. The lights you turn on every evening, the corner where you sit to relax, the small details you pass by without even thinking. All of these contribute to a sense of warmth that builds over time. And the more you live with those details day by day, the more you begin to realize that Christmas decoration is not a single moment. It's an atmosphere that builds gradually and stays with you. It's in the way the light looks in the evening, the way a room feels quieter, softer, more welcoming. That's where its true value comes from. There's also something very special about how decorations interact with time. In the morning, natural light reveals textures, colors, and small details you might not notice otherwise. At night, everything changes. The same space becomes warmer, more intimate, almost like a different world. This dual experience is one of the most beautiful advantages of decorating your home for Christmas. You're not just designing a space, you're shaping how it feels at different moments of the day. And as you move through your home, you may start to notice how certain areas naturally become your favorite spots. Maybe it's a chair near a window with soft lighting, or a corner of the living room where everything feels especially calm. These spaces don't have to be large or elaborate. What matters is how they make you feel. Christmas decor has this quiet ability to create those little refuges within your home. Another thing that often happens without you even planning it is that your home begins to feel more intentional. When decorations are placed thoughtfully, everything starts to look more put together. Even the simplest elements like a folded blanket, a candle, or a small decorative piece can elevate the overall feeling of the space. It's not about complexity, it's about coherence. And this is where details become incredibly important. Small touches are often what make the biggest difference. A subtle shine from an ornament, the texture of greenery, the softness of fabric, all of these elements add depth. When combined, they create a layered environment that feels complete and carefully considered. You might also notice that decorating for Christmas can shift your mindset in a very gentle way. It encourages appreciation. You begin to notice your surroundings more. You become more aware of light, color, and comfort. It's almost like your home teaches you to slow down and pay attention without forcing it. At the same time, there's freedom in knowing that your decorations don't have to follow any strict rules. Some homes feel magical with very minimal decor, while others feel just as beautiful with rich, abundant styling. What matters is that it aligns with what you enjoy. When your space reflects your taste, it naturally feels more comfortable and genuine. Another subtle benefit is how decorations can create a sense of continuity from year to year. Even if you change things slightly, certain elements may return. Over time, these details become familiar. They start to carry meaning, even if it's something as simple as recognizing a decoration you've used before. This familiarity adds depth to the experience, making it feel more personal each time. And as the days pass, your home becomes a place where small, quiet moments feel more meaningful. Sitting in a softly lit room, walking through a decorated space, or simply pausing for a moment in a cozy corner. These experiences might seem simple, but they're exactly what make the season feel special. And finally, one of the most important things to understand is that Christmas decorating is not about perfection. It's not about copying a picture or making everything look flawless. It's about creating a feeling that works for you. A home that feels warm, welcoming, and a little more special than usual. Because in the end, that's the real value of Christmas decorations. They don't just change how your home looks. They change how it feels to live in it.